Paradise 2. Out here with my partner Claude, man, John Claude. I have 7 City today, man. South Georgia, man. Hey, this hard, man. All the love and nothing. Now take the picture, right?
That's moonshine.
Moonshine, it ain't no specific name?
No, nigga in the woods.
Nigga.
Yeah. Big dog. Shoebox full, I just let the money pile up. G-body geek barking like a Rottweiler. All white guts, same color, baby powder. Off-white mat, looking just like clown chowder. Flying down Martin Luther King on some forages. Flexing on my ex, cause a nigga can't afford.
I make sure that everybody really get the hair their way. I make sure I put the light on everybody, no matter what it is you do. You know what I'm saying? If you're a vendor, I ain't overcharging. Let you stay out there 2 days, do your thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So the name of the park, what's the name of the park?
Canet Farm. Canet Farm. These are my apartments right here.
Yeah.
These Union Hill apartments, this is where I was born at, right here.
Okay.
Crazy thing about it, I was born at A1.
What?
A1 said day one, I was born in
Just 7 City Day, Union Hill shit, BTJ shit, John Street shit, Pine Hunter shit, Belltime shit, Shaw Street shit, Blunt Hill shit, nigga 42 shit. Trap going crazy, I can't put my phone down. Told him meet me on the park like my name Chad Brown. I got $1,000 zips and I got $1,000 pounds. Make that money collar every time I turn around. Oscar who? Rutland. What they doing? Nothing. Pocket jam packed, young nigga been hustling. Dick so good, I make all my whole fight. Meet me at the after party, cause that big gon' be right. Meet me on the park, bitch, it's 7 City Day. I brought all my cars out, cause it's 7 City Day. Tell Perk I need a cut, cause it's 7 City Day. 7 City Day, bitch, it's 7 City Day. James Street shit, Billy O shit, Bessie Lynn shit, nigga Brookwood shit, Billy Circle shit, Redwood shit, Piedmont shit, did that 7 City shit, yeah.
It's inspirational, man. Black love is great, man. You know what I'm saying? They say we can't be around each other kicking and whatnot, but that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Smart minds make things like this.